Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower.
How was your night? Oh my god!
Or maybe the network was down.
Hello?
And you probably saw this, or this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Goten. Goten pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Goten, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Goten is great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotenas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Goten.
This is our HikenBike Yosemite 2-person backpacking tent. It has a roomy base that measures 90 inches long and 55 inches wide, leaving plenty of room for you and a hiking buddy. It comes with a PU 5000 footprint to protect your tent included with your purchase, so you don't have to buy one separately. The 2-pole clip-on design makes it quick and easy for you to set up the tent, and it provides for better ventilation and airflow. This 3-season tent is constructed with lightweight and durable materials that will keep you protected from the elements in the harshest conditions. The Rainfly is constructed from polyurethane-coated 63 denier polyester ripstop fabric to resist damage and keep you dry. There are 2 vestibules and 2 doors for gear storage and accessibility. If you want to go ultralight, you can set up this tent with just the Rainfly, poles, and footprint. To secure the tent and protect you from the wind, there are reflective guy lines with tension lock cord adjustment, light and durable 7000 series aluminum stakes, and a proprietary stake presser, which protects your hands when pushing in the stakes. Inside the tent, there are corner pockets and an overhead gear loft, so you can keep everything organized inside the tent and have plenty of floor space available for sleeping comfortably. The 8-inch bathtub floor is designed to keep running water out of the tent so you stay dry during a storm. To further protect from the rain, we use taped floor seams to ensure no water can flow through. Perfect for backpacking, the Yosemite tent packs down small inside the included carrying sack, so you can carry it easily on your next adventure. The YKK zippers also ensure you can get in and out of the tent without frustration. Designed to provide extra space while minimizing weight and maximizing durability, the HikenBike Yosemite 2-person backpacking tent is sure to keep you protected and comfortable at the campground or on the trail.
Today we are going to introduce our impressive product, the Rechargeable Camping Spotlight. Okay, let's begin. First of all, the box comes with a fully charged spotlight, USB to USB cable, spotlight strap, and a user manual. The front spotlight has one Schrade T6 LED. Only one LED bead can provide 1000 lumens. It will shine several hundred yards and has a clear beam of light. The front light has 2 modes. The first mode has 1000 lumens and works for 2 hours. The second mode has 400 lumens and can be used for up to 5 hours. There are 2 buttons behind the spotlight. The yellow button controls the side light. This side light can power 130 lumens for 6 hours and 70 lumens for even 12 hours. The side light can be used for area lighting and is useful when you look for your equipment in your tent. Then let's have a look at another button which is located on the bottom. Press it, then the red light on the right starts flashing, which indicates your location while in danger. Certainly, we sure do not want this function being used. Then you might have noticed in the package that we do not provide a charger. On the one hand, we believe that most of you already have a charger, for example to keep your phone ready to use. On the other hand, we are able to lower the price to be more competitive. Pull out the cross-shaped rubber plug. Here you find the USB charging port. By adopting 2 qualified lithium-ion batteries with a total battery capacity of up to 3600 mAh, this searchlight can be recharged by a USB port and it takes 5 to 6 hours to be fully charged. It can also be used as a power bank for your phone. Please note that the input as well as output voltage are both 5 voltage. This spotlight has the IPX4 waterproof rating, so you don't need to worry about using it on a rainy day. Of course, there are many more situations where this lamp can be good use for you. Are you prepared for camping? Just do it.
Access clean water on all your adventures with the LifeStraw Go. Ideal for outdoor use and travel, it is a BPA-free, refillable water bottle with an integrated 2-stage filter that removes harmful contaminants to keep you safe. Using it is simple. Fill the bottle, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, blow the water out of the filter, replace the cap, and off you go. The first stage of the filter is the hollow fiber membrane, which keeps you safe by removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, and it filters 1,000 gallons of water. The second stage is the activated carbon capsule, which improves the taste of the water by reducing chemicals, and it filters 26 gallons of water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives clean water for an entire school year. Go here, go there, go anywhere with the LifeStraw Go.
This is the Schrade SCHF36 full-tang fixed-blade survival knife, brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop-point blade produced from 1/4-inch thick 1095 high-carbon steel. The all-black SCHF36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor-sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF36 Survival Knife.